Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 1.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.3% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.6% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
US crude oil production dropped in January to 12.5 million barrels per day, a 6% decline from December's record high, following freezing weather, data from the EIA showed. China's manufacturing activity expanded for the first time in 6 months in March, with the official Purchasing Managers' Index coming in at 50.8, up from 49.1 a month earlier, according to latest figures. Russia's CB said it had provided banks with 2.5 billion Chinese yuan for the equivalent 31.8 billion rubles under currency swap transactions, and also increasing the maximum daily volume of currency swap operations to 20 billion yuan on the first 2 and last 2 trading days of each month, to curb excessive volatility.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Canadian manufacturing PMI will be released at 13:30 GMT, the US manufacturing PMI at 13:45 GMT, and the US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index at 1400 hours GMT. The ISM Manufacturing Employment Index will be released at 1400 hours GMT, and the US 3-month bill auction and 6-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.